first thing we're going to do is pull the pins out from the glove box. Alright, there's one. So you turn it. Once it's facing out, give it a flick. Awesome. And that's it. And this may be attached here. Sometimes mine wasn't, but it's there to be attached sometimes. Got the pins out, and you can see all the screws are removed here. Let me make sure you can see this. Yeah. Alright, yeah, you can see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. They were in there. Alright, and so then when you take those out, you're just going to pull this little fancy piece of wood grain out right here. Bam, just like that. Yep. Toss it right there for now. Okay. Now you'll also see that there's going to be a screw right here behind that piece of wood grain that we just threw on the ground. After you get that out, just got to make sure you pull it nice and smooth off that seal. Bam, there you go. I'm just going to turn this over so I don't have to unplug it. And you see pins, right? So we got 2 pins, one right here, and then the other one's right here. That shot off in the back of my car somewhere, so I'll be looking for that a little bit later. But as you can see, the goodness, or the badness, that looks perfectly terrible. Alright, so you can see here, I got this from Amazon. Cabin air filter came with 2, just like the suckers we popped out just now. See, I guess that's why they have 2 of them in there, is because of the clearance. Alright, so I'm going to go find that. Alright, got the pin, so I'm just going to snap this bastard back on, I think. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Nothing questionable here, right? Fantastic. So, now what we're going to do is we're going to flip this bad boy back over. Excellent. And we're going to line all this up and get it back on. Don't forget to get it back behind your seal there. Nice and flush. Look like garbage. There we go. And look, that's holding a little tension to keep it in place. Alright, let me grab my screws. One note about the screws, you'll see them here. They're all the same. So every screw that I pulled out, whether it be from the trim, whether it be from the glove box, or back here underneath it, they're all exactly the same. Alright, such is life. Alright, so we're going to, before we do that, let's go ahead and pop this lone screw in here that was sitting behind the trim. Oh yeah, looking good. Okay, so now let's get the trim back in. The trim is going to pin the glove box back where it needs to be. Excellent. Alright, we were good to go there. So the next thing is going to be the screws for the trim. And I'm just going to rip that right in there. Excellent. Alright, and numero dos. Alright, trim is back in, not going anywhere. Next thing is going to be the bracket. And I put the bracket back in here. Yeah, here we go. Alright, just gonna get this started. Brilliant. Alright, get this other one started here. Alright, good. This is just me being idiosyncratic. Alright, excellent. So we are down. Just a couple of screws here. Ah yes, I'll show you where those go. Alright, there's that, and one more. And I didn't show you this hole before, apologize for that. It's down here at the bottom left corner of the glove box. I'm sure you can see it right now. Give it a little tension here. Alright. Everything feels good. We're going to go ahead and seat the box back in itself. Alright, you'll see the hinges should line up pretty well. Alright, sorry, you gotta do this first. There we go. Okay, now you got those two back on the tracks here. You can see that, I'm sure. But then, all you have to do is close it, and the coup de grace. Get these pins back in here. Awesome. And last one. Bam. You are done.